Noticing a musty smell or visible staining in your Bellevue home? You might need a mold inspection, and the cost is more predictable than you think. Most single-family homes in Bellevue run between $300 and $700 for a professional mold inspection, with the average around $450. Condos and smaller units often come in lower. Larger homes, finished basements, or tricky crawl spaces can push costs above $900. A visual inspection covers moisture readings, documented photos, and identifying likely sources like roof leaks or plumbing failures. Air sampling and lab testing are separate, typically $100 to $300 more. A pump collects air into a cassette sent to an accredited lab. 3 to 5 samples, one outdoor baseline plus indoor locations, gives a clear picture of whether mold levels inside are elevated. Skipping straight to cleanup without a baseline sample is a common mistake. Without documentation, you can't prove the remediation actually worked. Had water damage not dried within 48 hours? Buying or selling? HOA requiring clearance testing? Those are all clear signs an inspection is worth it. Read the full Bellevue Mold Inspection Cost Guide at naresco.com. Then call National Restoration Construction at 206